Hey, YouTubers. Thanks for watching and tuning in back to my show here, my channel, Mike Martin's channel. It is I, Mike Martin's. And there's a big buzz on the internet and social media all over the place, and it's kind of exciting, actually. I'm very excited about this one. I'll read the article from the New York Times just so you know it's not fake news, okay? So you know it, like, it's legit. This is 100%. It says here that 7 Earth-sized planets orbit a dwarf star, NASA and European astronomers say. So, I'm really excited because, like, I've been researching and studying and kind of getting whatever information I can on Alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri is one of the nearest stars to us, and there's a couple of planets that look habitable. They're within this Goldilocks zone. A Goldilocks zone means it's within like, it's not too warm, not too cold, just enough where humans could basically live if they had to, or sustain human life, right? But the article is really good. I'm gonna read a part of the article to you guys. This is a gigantic article, and I'm not gonna read it all because it will take me about 40 minutes to read this damn thing. And I just want everyone to weigh in on this, on what they think. Why would we want to contact other civilizations? Yeah, you're probably thinking, yeah, for humanity, for mankind, for... We can't even get along with each other. People hate their own neighbors. People dislike coworkers. People, we're at war. We're ripping other countries apart. Countries are ripping other countries apart, and people just don't get along with each other at all. People hate each other. I'm going to keep saying that over and over like a broken record because it's true. This hatred is so big. I was listening to George Norrie the other day on Coast to Coast, and he was saying the same thing. What's with this hatred? Why does everybody hate each other? Why is this hatred so strong? I don't know what to tell you guys. I really don't know what to say. But I'm pretty choked, that's why I left the big city. A big city was like that. I was living in a city where everybody just hated each other outright, blatantly, and it's really sad. But okay, now my question, and I want you to weigh in: do we need to add another species to the human species? Because we're already segregated enough between each other. Do we have to now add a species, an extra species, or maybe 5 or 6 different species living on these planets? What happens then? Do we fall down the the food chain? Do we, like, what happens to humans? If we're severely outsmarted, do we move down technology-wise, and then we're like, oh, okay, yeah, we got to move down the list here. We got to move down the ladder because someone else is taking over that's got folding time, time warp, or whatever you want to call it, whatever they have in their possession as technology. That would be a blow to the human race, and then the human race would be like, damn, why do we kill each other and destroy each other and create crap when we could have just played by the book, seized the knowledge, expand into space, and be at par? Everyone's all complaining back in the 80s that they have to catch up with the Japanese. The Japanese are 30 years ahead of us in technology and blah, blah, blah. I'm not doubting that. But other civilizations, they could be like thousands of years ahead of us. And we look like an ant farm to them. Like, those are ants. Leave them alone. They're just blowing each other up. Watch them on TV tonight blowing up or testing nuclear missiles in the South China Sea. What's that twat's name over in Kim Jong-il, whatever, testing his missiles there, Watch it live on Martian TV. It's like, they're probably laughing at us, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, the article goes on to say, not just one, but 7 Earth-sized planets that could potentially harbor life have been identified orbiting a tiny star not too far away, offering the first realistic opportunity to search for signs of alien life outside of our solar system. The planets orbit a dwarf star named TRAPPIST-1, about 40 light years or 235 trillion miles. That's so far away from Earth. That is quite close in cosmic terms, and by happy accident, the orientation of orbits of the 7 planets allows them to be studied in great detail. So, like I said, in school we used to call it the Goldilocks zone, where it's just habitable or easy for humans to weather out the conditions. One or more of the X-planets in this new system could be at the right temperature to be awash in oceans of water. Astronomers said, based on the distance of the planets from the dwarf star. This is the first time many planets of this kind are found around the same star. Michael Gillian. An astronomer at the University of Liège in Belgium and the leader of international team that has been observing the TRAPPIST-1 said during the telephone news conference organized by the journal Nature, which published the findings on Wednesday. Scientists could even discover compelling evidence of aliens. I think that we have made a crucial step towards finding if there is life out there, said Amory H.M.J. Treude, an astronomer at the University of Cambridge in England, and another member of the research team. Here, if life managed to thrive and releases gases similar to we have on Earth, then we will know. So, I mean, getting there shouldn't be too worried about, because getting there we still have no way to fold distance. Folding distances or folding time or whatever you want to call it. We still have no way of figuring that out yet. So we're technologically we are if not 1,500 years away from understanding that. And I mean, we don't even know if time exists. Anyways, the cool red dwarfs are the most common type of star. Astronomers are likely to find more planetary systems like that around TRAPPIST-1 in the coming years. Then the article goes on to say, you could just imagine how many worlds out there that have a shot to becoming habitable ecosystems. Said the NASA during a NASA news conference on Wednesday, are we alone out there? We're making a step forward with this, a leap forward, in fact, towards answering the question. Telescopes on the ground now and the Hubble telescope in orbit will be able to discern some of the molecules in the planetary atmospheres. The James Webb Space Telescope, scheduled to launch next year, will peer at the infrared wavelengths of light, ideal for studying TRAPPIST-1. Comparisons among the different conditions of the 7 will also be revealing. But the question is, if there is intelligent life on there, do they really want to be found? What if they already know we're here and they don't care? You know? It's like the anthill theory. I don't know if you know the anthill theory. Basically, I think we could agree that there are anthills in the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. Right? Okay. We could agree on that, right? But are we going to jump on a plane, fly out there, pack our bags, unpack our bags, check into a hotel, get a guide, go out to the jungle, and see if there's an anthill out there? No. So I think it's the anthill theory where we think, I have a belief that if there are habitable or there's highly, advanced races out there, I just have a strong belief that they would just not bother and care about us here, The TRAPPIST-1 planets make the search for life of the galaxy imminent, said Sarah Seeger. For the first time ever, we don't have to speculate. We just have to wait and then make a very careful observations and see what is in the atmosphere of the TRAPPIST planets. Even if the planets all turn out to be lifeless, scientists will have learned more about what keeps life from flourishing. Yeah, easy. Open a bunch of factories, pollute, start wars, and just do what we do here on Earth. And that's what we basically keeps life from flourishing. Anyways, it's a really long article, and my reading sucks. And I really want to bring this out to you guys because I want your opinion on this, right? So weigh in, comment below, let me know what you guys think. I think there's advanced alien life forms that know we're here for a long time. And I wouldn't go as far as saying that they're toying with us or playing with us like we're a scientific experiment. I just believe in the anthill theory where they know we're here, but they don't give a rat's you know what. Anyways, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear your feedback on this one. This is a good one. And yeah, don't forget the subscribe button, and you'll be seeing more videos from me. Thanks for watching, guys.